Welcome to Abstract. In this video, I will show you how to disable drop-down URLs or suggestions in Firefox in the address bar. To do that, from Firefox, click three lines menu icon, select Settings, click Search from the left side, and from here, under Search Suggestions, uncheck Show Search Suggestions and uncheck Show Recent Searches. And under Address bar, uncheck Browsing History. Also uncheck this box, Show Search Terms in Address bar on Results page. If old URLs still appear, go to Privacy and Security. Scroll to Cookies and Site Data. Click Clear Browsing Data. Select everything. Check Browsing and Download History, Cookies and Site Data, Temporary Cached Files and Pages. Click Clear button. Open new tab. And now we have less suggestions in address bar. To remove these as well, go back to Settings, click Search, scroll to Address bar, uncheck Suggest Search Engines to Use, and Shortcuts and Bookmarks as well. Now if you go to New tab, you won't see any suggestions in the address bar. And this is how you can disable drop-down URLs and suggestions in Firefox address bar. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.